Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew in white. It has black leather interior, seating for 7, 4 doors and a hatch, with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, an automatic transmission, and it's a front wheel drive. It also has a backup camera. As well, it has roof rails, power sliding doors, and satellite radio. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your hands-free dialing, dash, as well as cruise control. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and you also have a menu that you can toggle through. In the center, we have a display screen that's going to come up. I'm just going to go in there, AM, FM, satellite radio, and as well, when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. And there you go. And then when you want to load your CD, you just press the button for load, and it's right behind there. And then press it again, it'll close it up. You have your menu that you can go into for different things that you may want to choose. And then down below, you have dual climate control for driver and passenger, front and rear defrost. You also have a heated steering wheel as well as heated seats, your fans in the center there. You have Econ, hazard lights, 115 power and traction control. There's a little cubby to put items. You also have two 12-volt outlets. You can close this up. A couple of cup holders. There's another bin. We can open that up, and inside there's lots of storage. Both driver and passenger have armrests for comfort. You have two glove compartments. The lower one is locking. Up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls, and you have a sunglass holder, and you also have that little mirror in there so you can see what's going on in the back. And up above, you have the liftgate release as well as the power sliding doors and locks. There's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, driver's side fuel cap. In the back, there's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and just below the first D in Dodge is where your backup camera is located. And when you want to open up that hatch, you can release it from inside, but you can also double click your fob. It's going to chime for you and then open up easily. And inside, you've got storage area in the back here. You're seeing the seats are numbered. They stow right into the floor, and so they're numbered 1 through 4, and you just follow that and are able to put them right down into the floor and then reverse that to bring them back out. There's bins off to the side, and then when you want to close everything up, you can push the button. There's also a handle on either side, right and left, and you hear it chiming, so it's letting you know it's going down securely. And then you can just lock it up and walk away, or you can jump in and head out on your latest adventure. The nice thing about this van is that it has a fob to power release the doors. So you can lock and unlock, and you can also power open the sliding doors by double clicking your fob. And you have this grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. There's 2 seats here in this row that are captain's seats, so they've got the armrests. You can just flip these up, and these seats will stow right into the floor. You have stow and go seating, and then when you want to pop it out of the way, you can just pull the lever and it pops right out of the way for you. You now have access to the 3rd row, which has a 60-40 split, and you also have some bins and cup holders. When you want to bring the seat back down, just give it a push and then flip up the back of the seat and flip up the headrests, and you're all set to go. You have these nice mesh bins on the back of the seat, or pockets if you'd like, and there's also the carpeted mats on the floor, and then you take those out of the way when you're going to stow it into the ground. Up above, you have lights, climate control, there's a bin there, and you also have handles. Privacy glass in the back windows, power sliding rear passenger doors, roof rack and rails, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.